It is not the amount of hard work which matter, it is how you are able to get the output in that hard work. Don't go for content, rather go for quality. Do it again till become a part of your long-term memories. My request would be, try to revise more rather than covering more.
Everybody comes together and motivate each other.
They have to work it upon. So once they rectify their mistakes, then definitely there is a good chance that they can crack this seat.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, almost 6 to 7 large homes. So definitely it is a brand event.
I think they should come and see what is happening.
I think this would be very great and helpful in my NEET PG preparation.
I'm feeling so happy that I have revised the whole medicine in 2 days, you know.
Should have some thrilling energy in you.